So hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is Elsie and you are watching Elsie tutorial. So for today's video, we have here the TRR Pure Edition, the latest version of Pure Custom Room, which is the version 14. So how to install this room, guys, is simply you need to have a TWRP or the Orange Fox Recovery. So in this video, I have the Orange Fox Recovery installed on my Samsung Galaxy G7 Prime, and then you need to wipe all the partitions here, the dalvik cache or the cache system vendor here. I will just check this. You need to wipe all of this partition, and then right after wiping all the partitions, you need to copy the TRR Pure Custom Room into your computer, and then you need to copy the room from your computer via USB and transfer it to your phone. So I am done copying the room, guys, and we have here the TRR Pure version 14, and let's start the installations. Okay guys, but before we install the room, I will just remind you that you don't need to have the create vendor in this room. You don't need to install the create vendor, just install the custom room itself. So you need to flash the create vendor version 1 and version 2 and all other stuff, like you are watching from, if you're watching from my other custom rooms. Don't copy that. Just install the room directly. So you don't need to flash the create vendor, the projects budget, because this is not a treble room. This is a pure custom room. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys, because I'm not perfect. And yeah, speaking of that, thank you for, or credits to the owner of this room, especially the RealModder, who is the creator of this room. I think credits to the RealModder and also the other people behind the Exynos 7870 community. So let's proceed now to installation. Just click the room here and then swipe. So this is now the installation process, guys. As you can see, this is what we called the Aroma installer. This is different from other custom room, and we have here the welcome and also the ROM, the version, and then the device and the release date. So this is the latest version of the custom ROM, the Pure edition. And on the next page, we have here the extension, which you can choose what you want to install into your phone. If you want navigation bar, then you can click that. Google Sans fonts, I need this. I need the Google fonts. So choose what you want here, guys. We need a calculator, the Samsung calendar, the game launcher, we need this. Smart capture. So you can select here as many as you can. So if you want to install the G apps, then you can select also the G apps. So we need a G apps here. And also the SIM toolkit. And also the custom overlays. It's said here, remove custom overlays. This usually fix crash on system UI. So we need to no, this is the uninstall option pala. So we need to check the custom overlays. And then click next. And here, the installation is started. So guys, if you bothered to listen my voice, then I feel so sorry because I have a fever right now and I'm still, productive making all the tutorials here on my YouTube channel. So yeah, don't forget to like this video and give a comment or suggestion, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So in my channel, guys, I focus only on tutorial, especially the room tutorial and also Mobile Legends. So that would be the two contents of this channel. You can also suggest more room in my channel. I will review that. So this will take time, guys. The installation will take time. It will take minutes. So we have here 100% and just click the next and finish. And then swipe. And then click the reboot system. So we will wait this, guys, until the boot animation will come out or pop out, and then we can see here the Samsung logo as usual. And I would like to remind you guys that all the links that you use in this video will be linked in the description. You can check it out, and also I highly recommend this custom ROM, guys, to you to install this into your G6110 G7 Prime series. This is for G7 Prime series, guys. And I highly recommended this ROM to you because this is stable, and we all know that TRR won't disappoint us, or the Realmodder won't disappoint us for making the ROM. This is a very good ROM because I tried before the TRR Pure Edition version 10, I think, or maybe the triple one, which is based on Android 10. But this ROM, guys, is based on Android 9, I think. So this must be stable and fast because we all know that Android 9 custom ROM is something it considered as a bugless custom ROM for G7 Prime series. So here, the ROM is starting, and we have here the setup. Alright, guys, so we're now done installing the ROM, and this it looks like. So it looks like a stock Pi or a stock Nougat, right? Oh, it's a Pi. And we have here as you can see, the bloatwares. We have the common bloatware here, which is mighty useful for us. So let's see the settings. About phone, and this is so the ROM is based on G7 Prime 2, but my ROM is G7 Prime SMG610Y variant. So let's see here the software information. So this is also based on One UI 1.1 version, and this is based on Android 9 Pie. And the kernel that is used in this ROM is the Kronos kernel version 5. And thus Android status is permissive. So my first impression in this ROM, guys, is very smooth. and also it is very responsive. And I hope that the battery of this room, guys, is also good. That is what I'm hoping for every One UI based custom room. And also we have here, all of these features here are working, I think. Yeah, and I think I have read in the XDA thread that there are two major, oh no, that's not a major, minimal bugs of this room. One of that is the blue filter, I think. Yeah, there is no blue light filter. And also, the second bug I read in the XDA is the GPS. So overall, the room, it is quite good. It's responsive, smooth, and yeah, it responds so well. And wow. So nothing much more here, guys. SIM card is detected. We have here the 4G, as you can see on the top, and location on, mobile data on, and all of that. Dolby Atmos. It doesn't work unless you have a Bluetooth headphone or headset. Night mode is working, so. And also we have a great limited bloatwares, but it's amazing because this are all important bloatwares we have. And oh my god, there is no Google or Play Store. There is no Play Store. Why is that? So where is the Play Store here? So guys, that's all. Oh my god, my camera is shaking. So that's all. I will update you guys for the Google Play Store here. It's kinda missing. And hope you like it, this video. Give a thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, and see you on my next video, everyone. Okay guys, so I forgot, I will include this in the clip. In order for you, so as you can see here, the problem is we have no Google or Play Store, but we select the Play Store in the pre-installation earlier. So in order to get the Play Store application, we need to select the three dots here. As you can see, there are three dots, and then select or click the clean pages, and we have here the additional apps and select apply. So we got the Google Play Store right now, so there is no problem in this room. And thank you for watching, everyone. Hope to see you next video. Have a good day. Bye.